Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Retro Gaming Rocks. Today, I have a console unboxing and review. Let's check it out. Let's open the box. Let's see what's in here. Okay, so first thing we see here is an USB cable. It's a female to male or male to female USB cable. Then we have an instruction manual for use. And let's see, the instruction manual is in English. Okay, next we have the controller. This is from 8BitDo or 8BitDo. I don't know how to pronounce it. Some YouTubers out there say 8BitDo and others say 8BitDo. So I don't know. Let's call it 8BitDo for consistency. So this is very nice. These controllers are of very good quality. So I'm very happy that this is what it came with, and not some cheap controller like, you know, most of these emulation consoles that you buy on AliExpress or Temu or Wish.com. You know, they all come with the very, very cheap, you know, very flimsy controllers. This came with a very nice controller, so this is pretty cool. I really like these 8BitDo controllers. They're super high quality, you know, and they're very comfortable to use. So very happy with this. Next, we have a multi-USB port. So don't know why this is here, but we'll find out shortly. So it's a USB hub, USB 3.0, very nice. Very nice quality. It is metal, it's not plastic. So again, you know, so far I'm liking the quality of the stuff that's coming in this box. So so far I'm impressed. So let's see what else. Then we have a button here, pretty cool little button. So now let's go for the console. And here it is. So let's check it out. Okay. All right, so here is the actual console. And so let's look at the front. At the front here, we have two USB ports. We also have the on-off button. We have a headphone jack, and there's a pinhole here, probably for as a reset for the actual console. If you can see that right there, next to the headphone jack is a small pinhole for or to reset the console. So on the side, we have two more USB ports. Again, we have a micro SD card, and on the back, we have the Ethernet port. We have a VGA connector, and we also have the HDMI out. So this is a pretty complete console. I mean, it has a lot of USB ports in addition to the multi-port hub that was included in the package. So very, very nice. So in the bottom, we have the serial number and all the information necessary. In addition to this little bag with Metal Gear came in the box. And by looking at the openings right here, this is probably meant to be hung on the wall or placed on the wall or, you know, on a cabinet or something, so that it doesn't occupy surface space. But again, you know, a lot of accessories that you don't expect an emulation console to come with. But again, this is just not, you know, AliExpress or any of those companies. This seems to be a more serious company, you know, intent on providing a product that customers will appreciate, and we'll see the difference between buying this from them and buying it from other sellers. Now, lastly, I want to take a look at the instruction manual quickly. So again, you know, I showed the manual before very briefly, but again, this is a high quality manual, thick glossy paper. As you can see, you know, very bright colors, and it details a lot of the information that you'll need to use the console, starting with first use, you know, controllers, what you need to know about the controllers, how to add a Bluetooth controller if you don't want to use a wired controller that it come with. And again, you know, they're pretty thorough with the general operation of the console. And of course, because standard is a 8-bit DOE controller, it is also depicted here on the manual. Again, you know, you don't see emulation consoles sold typically with a quality controller. Again, it's typically those cheap replicas of PlayStation 2 or PlayStation 3, you know, controllers that are not very high quality. But, you know, this is not the case here. You know, how to connect to the internet and Wi-Fi and things like that. It is all right here. And again, you know, as far as the control, you know, what are the hotkeys? How do you map the keys to your needs and things of that sort? And again, you know, there's QR codes if you want to read the information online. Their link, their URL is right here, but you can just scan the QR code and go directly to the website, FAQs, etc. So very nice manual as well. And so far, you know, very happy with this console, very happy with what it offers the customers. So lastly is this small USB thumb drive that comes in the box as well. And this contains all of the data for the emulators that the computer will run or the console will run. So without this, you can't play anything because all of the emulator data is right here in this thumb drive. So this is what you will plug in to one of the USB ports prior to connecting the console to your TV, so that when it boots into the Batocera system that has all the emulators. So don't forget this. All right, so the other box, let's see. All right, so the other box brings the power brick, and be mindful that this is a European product, or at least for the European market. And so the power brick is for European plugs. And then next is the HDMI cable, which is really cool because these days a lot of consoles don't bring the HDMI cable because honestly, you know, we all have so many of them. But, you know, it's still nice that it comes in a box, and that shows that they're really interested in, you know, in providing you with a good product. So far, you know, I'm pretty happy with the quality of everything I've seen. Nothing is super cheap and flimsy, you know, from the controller that, even though it's wired, it is from 8-bit DOE, so it's a pretty good quality control. All right, guys, so I hope you like all the great items that came included in this package. Go check them out on their website. Hey guys, there you have it. That was the unboxing for retro gaming consoles, Retrobox Classic emulation console. So as you saw, there were a lot of nice things included in the box. There are items that you typically do not see included in these retro gaming emulation consoles from other sellers like AliExpress or Wish.com. Just the fact that the controller is a premium controller from 8-Bit Dough tells you that this company wants to offer the customers a good product with high quality items included in the package. So if you guys have ever played on one of these or bought one of these consoles, whether it is from retrogamingconsole.com or from AliExpress or from wish.com, let me know how you like it. Let me know what was included in the package. Let me know if you bought it from somebody else. Let me know if it included the same items that this company is including. And again, I understand that emulation is not for everybody, especially, hardcore collectors. We prefer to have physical games, but these days the price of retro games is really kind of crazy, and for the casual gamer who wants to have a large collection of retro games to play on demand, I think this is a great option. There are a lot of emulation consoles out there, but not everybody offers the same thing. So, go ahead and check these people out at retrogamingconsole.com and see what they offer. And if you like it, you can check it out. Anyway, if you guys watch the video, please consider clicking the like button, subscribe, and the notification bell so you can stay up to date on videos that I upload. Again, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.